In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does eDreams work. eDreams is an online travel agency, often called an OTA. That means it doesn't own planes or operate flights itself. Instead, it acts as a middleman between you and the airline, helping you search across many carriers and complete the booking in one place. Here's how the experience typically flows. You start by searching for flights. You enter where you're flying from, where you're going, and your travel dates. As soon as you submit that, eDreams scans a large network of airlines, more than 600, to find available options that match your criteria. A quick tip here: be as accurate as possible with your dates and cities. Even small changes can reveal very different prices and schedules. Next, eDreams shows you a list of options. You'll see the prices, the airlines operating the route, and the departure and arrival times. This is your comparison stage. Take a moment to look beyond just the cheapest fare. Check total travel time, layovers, and the reputation of the operating carrier. Also be mindful of what's included in the fare. Some basic tickets don't cover checked bags or seat selection, and those extras can affect the true cost. When you found the flight you want, you complete the booking through eDreams. You'll enter passenger details and pay on their platform. Make sure the names match your travel documents exactly, and review the fare rules before you confirm. A quick review of baggage policies can save you surprises later. After you pay, eDreams processes the booking by sending the request to the airline. This handoff can be very fast, but it isn't always instant. It might take just a few minutes, or it could take up to 24 hours. During this window, it's normal to see a pending status while the airline confirms availability and issues the ticket. Once the airline finalizes everything, your ticket is issued. You'll receive a confirmation email and a ticket number. This usually arrives quickly, though occasional checks can cause delays. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder and save that ticket information. It's useful to note the airline's booking reference as well, since you can use it later to manage your trip. From that point on, the airline handles your flight. Check in on the airline's website or app, follow their policies for baggage and seats, and use their tools for any schedule updates. In short, eDreams helps you find and book the flight while the airline operates the journey after your ticket is issued.